So that was the 30-second commercial for my brand new collaborative backpack with Vous Pouvez Dormir dans la Grange, which comes out on November 6th. I'll put a link to their website in the description below, and that's the place you're going to find the bag on November 6th if you do want to purchase one. This video that you just saw, the 30-second spot, was created by my brother Ryan. He's a professional cinematographer who lives in New York, but came to Chicago to help me with that project and help film everything. I made a video last week about kind of the behind the scenes of the shoot that we did in downtown Chicago. But I'm also going to put a link to Ryan's website in the description as well. You can check out all of the things he's done, but he's worked on tons of commercials, music videos, feature-length films. He just had a really cool one come out for The New Yorker, and he just shot a music video for Will Ferrell's son, which is super sick. So be sure to check those out by clicking on his link in the description. So yeah, now that we saw the 30-second spot, we also created a 15-second spot, and it has a couple of different shots in it. So let's check that out now. So that was the 15-second version of the video, and you'll see these popping up places. I'm going to be posting the 30-second spot in all of my upcoming videos, just pushing to the backpack before its release date and while it's on sale, just to make sure we sell those out and give it as much exposure as possible. So in all my upcoming videos, you'll definitely be seeing that 30-second spot a lot more. You'll probably see those videos too. We made vertical versions of them, so you'll probably see those on Shorts and even on Vous Pouvez Dormir dans la Grange's Instagram and all over their website. So we're super psyched about that. Really happy with the way everything turned out. And the other thing I want to show you in today's video is some of the still photography we did. So my brother took 35mm film shots, and we have a bunch of those. We filmed the video in downtown Chicago, so like Millennium Park area over by like the Bean and kind of like the touristy areas, because we wanted to get a lot of people in the shots, kind of a lot of like movement and stuff. So we filmed everything down there. And then the stills we actually filmed over by the lake. So they have a little bit of a different feel to them, but I'm also really happy with the way they turned out. It's cool to kind of have both like city and lake for this project. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you a bunch of those shots next, but they'll just be in front of some music playing. So that's it for me this week. So yeah, basically tune in tomorrow. We're gonna have another video tomorrow, which is a new EDC video for fall items that I'm super excited about as well. So be sure to check that out. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.